Hello, today I built a Lego Infinity Fidget Cube and it's like this. So basically I have like a normal cube and then I can like open and then open and then it will never end, and you can keep on opening it and it will never end, like this. So the mechanism behind this, like I use Lego hinges. I use Lego hinges, like hinge joints. So like you see these, they allow it to like move. That's how it works. Yeah. Thank you.